The secret of the swelling raisins. The kitchen was quieter today. Sunlight streamed through the window, falling softly on a bowl kept near the sink. Mira walked in, still in her pajamas, rubbing her eyes. Ishani, where's the tea? Today, Ishani said, smiling. We're doing something different. She pointed to the bowl. Come here. Mira leaned closer. Inside the bowl were a few dry, wrinkled raisins, but something felt off. They look weird, Mira said. Didn't they used to be smaller? Ishani nodded. Look closely. Mira picked one up. It was soft, swollen, almost alive. Wait, these were dry yesterday, she said. How did they get so big? Ishani leaned against the counter. Good question. She paused. Remember how tea spreads in water? Diffusion, Mira said instantly. Exactly, Ishani smiled. Now we're going one step further. She pointed to the bowl again. These raisins were kept in water overnight. And something very special happened, Mira frowned. They drank water? Ishani laughed softly. In a way, yes, but not just randomly. There's a rule behind it. She took a glass of water and placed it next to the bowl. Water moved from outside the raisin to inside it. Why? Mira asked. Because inside the raisin, the concentration of water was lower, and outside, in the bowl, it was higher. Mira's eyes lit up. So water moved from high concentration to low concentration? Exactly, Ishani said. But here's the twist. She held up a raisin. This movement happens through a special boundary. The skin of the raisin? Yes, Ishani nodded. It acts like a membrane. Just like the plasma membrane in a cell. Mira leaned in. So, water went inside, but nothing else did? Ishani smiled. That's the important part. This membrane allows water to pass through, but not everything. She paused for effect. It's selective. Mira grinned. Like a security guard? Better, Ishani said. Think of it as a VIP entry. VIP? Mira laughed. Yes, Ishani continued. Only water gets special permission to enter. Other substances? They're stopped. Mira looked at the raisin again, now with a new perspective. So the raisin swelled because water kept entering? Through this selective membrane, Ishani completed. And this process, she added, has a name. Osmosis. Mira repeated it slowly. Osmosis. She placed the raisin back in the bowl. So, this is happening inside our cells too? All the time, Ishani said. Water moves in and out of your cells through the plasma membrane, keeping them healthy and balanced. Mira smiled, clearly impressed. First tea, now raisins. Ishani chuckled. The kitchen, she said, is full of science. Mira picked up another raisin, this time not just as a snack, but as a tiny experiment, a tiny story of water finding its way in.